So we're here today at the Aesthetic and Cosmetic Center by Ninewells, and right now we're going to talk about a very special procedure, something that can help you rejuvenate your skin and your hair growth. And this is called the PRP treatment. Very interesting, isn't it? So we have someone very special inside to actually take this discussion forward. Let's see how it is. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm
good.
Dr. Tuwani. And it's very nice to meet you, Dr. Tuwani Wijesundera. So we have her with us on board to talk about PRP treatment. Let's go check it out. So we have with us Dr. Tuwani Wijesundera. It's really nice to have you on board. How are you doing?
I'm good. Thank you. How are
Yes, I'm good. Thank you so much. So today we kind of wanted to talk about this topic of PRP treatment. Sounds really interesting, something futuristic. So if you can tell us exactly what PRP treatment is.
Yes, PRP stands for platelet-rich plasma. In aesthetic and cosmetic practice, we use this as a minimally invasive treatment for rejuvenation and strengthening of skin. In this treatment, we use a product of concentrated platelets, which is prepared from your very own blood after being processed with centrifugation. And after the product is made, which is like the platelet-rich plasma, we re-inject or either microneedle it back into the skin.
Okay, so how exactly does it help with the growth and the rejuvenation?
Blood contains different types of cells. So platelets are type of cells which is present in the blood, which is helpful for clotting of the blood, in return which helpful in wound healing and strengthening of the weakened tissues in the body. And whereas in plasma, it is the liquid component of the blood which provides a lot of growth factors and nutrients which helpful in survival of the cells in the blood. So this separated plasma, it contains like very effective concentrated platelets to form platelet-rich plasma. So this platelet-rich plasma is, it induces collagen stimulation, and it forms new cells and new capillaries, which will in return give the rejuvenation of the skin where we inject.
So this sounds really interesting. So if we kind of dive into what kind of conditions, I'm sure there are so many watching and wondering, can this be treated with this? So if we can explore the spectrum of conditions that can be treated, what are they?
So generally there are many areas where we can use this treatment. So if we come to the face, overall it can improve the general texture and the tone of the face, and also it is indicated in acne scarring and pigmentation, and including the under eye dark circles, and also it has an improvement in fine lines, specifically on forehead area, and then like around the eyes and the nasolabial folds, which are like near the nose and below the chin area. From the face, it is also used on the scalp to improve hair loss and hair thinning and hair growth. And other than that, it can be used neck area and chest, back of the arms, to give a little bit of plumpness, smoothness, where in return it prevents the signs of aging. And also it has proven effect on improvement in stretch marks as well.
So we would love to actually see how this procedure is performed. So we can probably head out and see how this is performed. Yeah? All right, let's do it.
This is the derma pen which we use to deliver the platelet-rich plasma onto the skin. So every time we use a new needle for every client.
So we actually observed how the PRP procedure is performed. Now it's time for us to kind of get into the after everything happens, the post-procedure information. So how effective is this PRP treatment on a practical level?
Yeah, the PRP treatment proven to be very effective. Usually the procedure lasts, it is done from about 1 to 1.5 hours with minimal pain, I would say. And the result usually lasts about 12 to 18 months, of course after initial once a month 5 to 6 cycles. And also I would say that effectiveness and results would vary according to individual.
It's great. This is like a lot of genetic makeup, lifestyle choices. There's so much going on. Yeah. So if we kind of talk about the safety side of this, and a lot of people, this is the main thing, when it comes to things like needles and procedures, they have this whole impression about it. So how safe is this?
PRP is known to be it has a very excellent safety profile because we use our own blood, and also I would say it has a very low risk of complications. But there can be few bruising or swelling or redness which subsides usually within a couple of days.
Right. So I hope that information was enlightening. Thank you so much, Dr. Tuwani Wijesundera, for giving us that valuable information. Anytime.